Hello fam, I hope you all doing okay. Niyazi-ke Santo Media Chats, ngiyangazi ngosumancane into engakhulu all the way from eDavidson. Angihambi ngiyi-one, niyazi ngihlale ngihamba nepentshisi eli-soft. Bubbly, peaches. We have a special guest again namhlanje e-studio. Some of them abazi ukuthi he's a founder and the director of Ubuntu Entertainment. Music director futhi, just angifuna ukukhuluma igama ukuthi which choir ayi-directayo, but uzosikhulumela. Unjani bafowethu?
Yaphila kunjani butwana?
Siyaphila man.
Showcase no bafana kaNhlapho. Yeah, but abantu abaningi bangazi ngofofo. Bona bangazi ngobhoza.
Sure.
Ngikhona bangazi ngomphathi.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ngisho nje igama la bafana igama la seJardini. Yeah.
So why was it what's Boza?
Yeah, yazi mali mulibona ukukhula amagama mana ayavela man.
Sure.
Yeah, yazi vumbukela igama la kaFofo, igama la kaBhoza. Ivela nje emajiteni, abantu enophila nawo. Yabo.
Sure.
Showcase.
Nice.
All right. So, first question: when did you start like having a passion in music? When did you realize you were a passion for music?
Yo. It's a long story, ne?
Yeah.
But ngazama mhlawumbe usenza sibe short. I never knew, like I ngazi ukuthi like vele like ufika bomphathi or kumele ngibe umphathi. I used to be a member. Ngicela ukucula from khona ikhwaba bathi ithembela ku Jehovah.
Yeah.
Kwathi khona bese umncwaba nje I think last year early.
Yes, I'm sorry.
So ngaqala ukucula lapho. Nakhona ukuya kwami ekhwayeni yazi mobona intombazana bathi ilandelele gijimise nana. Yena ngitshontshele ekhwayeni yabo. Then sacula ekhwaya abanenkinga abanama challenges. Then ngajoina enye ikhwaya bekuthiwa itumelo yaMuthembu.
Okay.
Ngiyaphatha khona ngo Mr T. So usually at that time bengi vocalist back then. Bengi vocalist bekuyimfana like ovocalayo ekhwayeni. So benginanhlanhlale ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukucala zonke ingoma ezikwazi ukucalwa umphathi. So then umphathi bekumuntu odrive ama taxi. So lona kwenza ukuthi sometimes afike late uma rehearsals yabo. So bakangekho. So to my mabeka mina ukuthi okay singicale just ngisiqale kuphela i-track not ukuqulisa. So bangibeka phambili just kumele ngicale i-track nje abona lebelele into yenzeke nini umphathi happen ukuthi seshowini aka pitch then I had ukuthi manje ngisalele ngibamba intambo yabo. So ngibile ngibaleka le nto le ngisaba even kumele ngimareza mangibona i-quantum lingekho yabo ngitosha then wangiphuma ukuthi hayi ndoda like ifunda yabo ukuthi ngelanga mase ngekho ukwazi ukuzibambela. Yeah, then up until ke ekhwaya leyo iba nama challenges nayo then ekhwaya zangisabe nayo then ama members lawo bebangale nana then sahlangana bangala ukuthi mana style lento from scratch yabo from masicala we were like angeke sibe nomphathi but asiqaleni yabo sizobona ukuthi sithatha isibeka yabo sisizana anyone bekayifaka i-track nana then basically sisizana then khathi sibele samba obviously uyaba khona leyo muntu lo kumele abe nimbona sekakhona nathi hayi mananga umuntu ongas-direct yabo so nama sithola vele like senguleyo position ukuthi hayi manje ndabona in-charge makuthiwa kushoniwe sekuthiwa khuluma nomuntu oso yabo nana decision engiyome sesama decision efana nalo nami ngasithola vele
so liqale kancane
singaphela like kancane zange ngivuke ekseni ngithi ngifuna ukuba umphathi because abona bonga vuke ekseni udecide ukuthi ufuna ukuba umphathi something else.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ungabona abantu bayenza nana nentingo ukuthi ilula kanti into emele mhlawumbe ibe kuwo.
Yeah.
Because nebengibalekela but libele
ngisafuna
ukulandela yabo
wena uthola iphone call wayiphendula ithi call
definitely bozovuka ekseni nje so anyone mhlambe la ngaphandle udecide ukuthi hayi ngesasa ngavuka ngibe umphathi. Akusi if you don't have equality yafana mhlambe nobufundisi yabo it's not about music phela inonkulunkulu phakathi nabantu abaphuma uma background ukahlukene so lento ibe kuwe mele kuwe then uzokwazi ukuthi uwazi so iqale lapho nje iqale lapho ngathola namvele senge.
And to be honest according to research yami, according to my own opinion elinye side ne inhlakanipho iyapush. I don't wanna lie for ichoir engasho ukuthi it's now I think maybe 5 to 6 years ikhona to start at so much big up.
But I can say like even less than that. I can.
Wow, nice.
Yes, even less than that. Yes, Dallas Cole come to industry.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm more than 6 years, 7 years, 8 years from SSS High School. But in line from mhlambe ngiqala khona ukuthi la ngizibambela yonke into ngokwami. I can say sina 4 years.
Nice.
Yeah, unyaka walisiya mawuphela.
Mawuphela.
Yeah, cause leminye iminyaka ngeke ngibale kangaka cause bengibile ngihlanganyela nabantu nama challenges nani ngaka understand kahle kahle ukuthi senzani. Yabo cause Klep and Tap akusonke umuntu oyi understand kwenzakalana. Yabo baningi ama group abazi ukuthi Klep and Tap. So back then ngaka understand. Ngazi ukuthi ichoir siyacula. But as soon as sengicala ukwazi okay Klep and Tap ihamba so I can say sina 4 years.
4 years. Nice. Nice. Angifuna ukuthi sigcile kakhulu ku music team yakho. Ngifuna ukuthi manje sibanikeze ababukeli ukuthi kahle kahle ufofo umuntu onjani. You understand ukuthi ngasuka la angikwazi. Mina ngibona ku music video TV ngisaba ku approach. Simply because of angazi ukuthi umuntu onjani. So like ngifuna uba understand your childhood background yabo umuntu okhulela va beside beside ichoir. Are there any activities owapusha within the community?
Yeah, injalo ngivali because kunomphathi umuntu owaziwayo mhlambe iface yechoir ayikhulisayo. Njengama abantu bangazi njengomphathi njengofofo. So fofo lo muntu right ungenama mistake according to abantu but before that kunobafana. Yabo kunobafana yawuthi nje yasekasi yabo ngihlala nomndeni wami nje mhlambe si5 eJapan yabo kahle mina ngumuntu weart yabo entweni ze acting kakhulu.
Nice.
So even have i-production esibizwa ngokuthi Ubuntu Entertainment. So umuntu esimele bebindala siphusha kahle kahle njengoba sengiveza manje ku Klep and Tap. But besiphusha before into ze Klep and Tap la senza khona into ze art, actor, poetry, izinto ezifana nalezo. So that's why even ama members amaningi asekhwayeni siwathola from so manje belikhula yabona la lengisa ukuthi kuyini into ekufendayo manje because yangukuthi manje yini mind into epushayo manje so yabo Klep and Tap now okay siyaqasa upgrade amoto ke asingene nabo Klep and Tap singahlali ku acting or uma poetry nana ngithola then again ngiyachecha ngiyachecha kulo ngidlala ne-brass band sometimes isikhathi mangizitholile so siyobaya nje iwe engishayo outside of Klep and Tap. So Klep and Tap ngasho nje something esiyenza nje ngokuthanda yabo just to add into eluzenza mhlambe lathi yakho.
Yeah, very nice.
But but ngiyawuthe sharp.
Yeah.
Approach anywhere anytime. It doesn't matter even noma kuthiwa mhlambe sikuma performance noma kuthiwa umuntu sabo approach ukukhuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Because I believe ukuthi most especially with Klep and Tap there's no such thing as fame. Yabo abaphathi abafana khona abaphathi abangangeneki mhlambe. Yeah. Saba nokukhuluma naye nana but mina ngisole umuntu lo.
Nice.
Yabo so ngiyawuthi nje free. Sayini mkhuleke nami sizokhuluma.
Yeah, ufana no Debs Quest.
Showcase.
Quest abengizitshela ukuthi akalandeli umjida kanta mabazilana ngamlanda hayi. Umuntu okhulumayo kahle nabantu endeni sikhulume nje yonke into yabashana.
Exactly.
Yeah, yabona. Yeah, but phela ukulanda umuntu olinoni iyathusa.
Yeah, hey, umuntu bongamazi umuntu bombona eTV mfethu ubona kahle. Hey. Yeah, umuntu lo sekhambe sekaphumelele or akasakusamela usondele eceleni. Kanti umuntu nje ofana na just uthole opportunity yokuthi mhlawumbe umbone eTV or whatever la umbone khona so but abanye abantu sisha.
So kwani yakho plus minus ningaki so?
Yo, ayeni.
No.
Yeah, like you wanna get to be honest, angisumuntu othanda ukukhuluma ngenamba yechoir. Yabo sometimes kuba ngazathi mhlawumbe uyabreka or something ngithola. But then uNkulunkulu uyasibusisa. Yeah, uNkulunkulu uyasibusisa. I can say inhlanipho ihamba ku 80 to on a good day 80 to almost 100.
Phela maningi.
Yeah, 80 to almost
maningi nokufula ibhasi.
Yeah, ngibona inamba ikhona. Kuninambi khona but ekubeni kuningi bethu yazi man ikhwaya nama challenges. Yeah, ngisibona sibaningi lapha utshela ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu abayawanjani. Izoba khona leyo 40. Mhlawumbe ifoto waqala nayo ikhwaya. engayindawo noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani yabo yonke abahleli
ama-loyal code
abaloya bese khona laba nini mhlawumbe benze ugrade 12 ngoba basha ugrade 12 ngiyabahlalisa imini lapho abanye ushaqe sokusaqedile abaningi baye varsity khona abathola imisebenzi yabona like so each and every year ukuthi kunama members aphumayo kunama members angenayo then kunaleyo mhlambe leyo number lesiyazi ukuthi yabona laba wena kwenzakalani they are always here. So that's why number yethu nje iparty nje ngasho nje mhlambe 70 80 90 100.
So like nothing yazi ukukhola abantu ne I can say ukhola abantu abayi-more than 30 inkingi. So like ama challenges afana nalawo like ngena kanjani
My personality
ama personality ma character abantu abafana
yabona like ibomphathi mele ube nesikele yasiringe nje amabhara abomphathi like bemele ube like nesikele but bangithi isikele mhlawumbe mele ube like neqiniso ngaso sonke isikhathi yabo ungathathi ama side noma mhlawumbe imember ushange isikele like ngendlela esharp but into yakho makayisheka aka reason uthi ama umphathi man yazi uriva yabo because akusebenza ngabantu phuma kuma background angafani umunye uze khwaya ufuna ukuzophila yabo mhlambi escape yakhe omunye mhlawumbe uzele nje ukhona umuntu ambhekile yabona like ama intentions wethu nokuze quiet like our father but bomphathi kakhulu nje lapha nje kumele ube la kube nenhliziyo ube nokubekezela yabo because bahlezi basuka bafuna ukutest khona quiet khona ama members uzofuna ukututha ukuthi like uqine kangakanani yabo umphathi na vele like yabo mhlawumbe uzokuquestion emocala ukuthi athi sithi next yabo so kumele wazi into esifanele lezo mazifika uzenza kanjani because remember kule HM uyikhona khona abantu abadala ngini khona intanga zami yamthola khona abantu emkhule nawe bengidlala nabo ibhola yabona like so manje mela abuya akwazi ukudifferentiate ukuthi okay lo access omngane manje so umphathi yabo for lo muntu leyo ukuze akwazi ukudifferentiate uya ngami ukuthi ngisiphatha kanjani responda kanjani but nje kukho konke I can say abantwana bekhwaya bawuphathwa so if mina ngizoma phambili mhlawumbe ngipreacher izinto ezinegative ikhwaya into ezoyenza noma social media or ebantwini bazo reacta ngendlela mhlawumbe mina engipreacher ngakhona yabo so umphathi uma bome phambi kwabantu uyafana ukuthi umfundisi you must make sure ukuthi yonke into opreachayo iseBhayibhelini despite ukuthi wena uyavumelana nento ebhaliwe eBhayibhelini or uvumelana but kumele upreache into abantu abafuna ukuyizwa but ihambe neqiniso somehow.
Ngeke khona into engiyithandayo ngawe I want so uyenza showini yakho inspirational is it inspirational yase Barcelona
inspirational
sinale angazi maniqeda ukucula sorry uyababiza futhi and then niba ngaphandle while basacula baculela phansi and then you motivate them. You give them energy ukuthi guys siyabuyela stage manje it's nice ngathi abaphathi abaningi bangayenza by way ibuyisa ngathini ibuyisa confidence within umuntu within kubo yabona it's so nice ngiyakhumbula I think bazoyidlala ngiyabelieve bazoyidlala nje basikhuluma ngayo bayibonise
manje khuluma ngoprofessional nabantu ababili bapepereza ubumachoti buphi ubumachoti ubuntombi into buphi hawu
into sharp abantu isifana izinto like uyazibona abantu bazenza then you check ukuthi bazenzelani implement ukuze ikhwaya ikhule like kose kuchecka namanye ama-choirs ngaphandle despite ukuthi leyo choir mhlawumbe it's a big choir small choir upcoming choir uyanguthi abantu bababiza kanjani but mina ngilo muntu lo othi njalo mhlawumbe bangiya ema-showini or bangibukela ama-choir ngifuna ukufunda something noma kuthiwa kucula abantu le choir enjani baningi bancane ukutopa something engeke khona nami bese ngihambe ngiyo-implement so kakhulu into lengiyenzela ukuthi abantu bami like ngifuna bakhipha kungcondo ye-competition hayi ukuthi masiyocula sesiyo-compete because wangithi wayistola lento leyo ku-group bazoba nokudelela phakathi yabo basekuqala lokhu ukuthi laba sobashaya laba abantwana abancane ngifuna ngenkulumo lezo like angizithandi they know nabo ukuthi angisifundi lezo nkulumo lezo yabo so that's why ngilobabuzela ngapha okay asithini kancane ubuyisa amandla then uyabashumayela because remember abanye abasonti yabo the closest place ukuthi babeseduze noNkulunkulu ikhwaya
bafana nami
yeah
nami vele makusekhwaya seriously mina I take ikhwaya as isonto lami
yeah
we understand
so that's why vele mhlawumbe nginobabizela ngaphansi ukuthi ngithola sengiyashumayela sengiyapreach yabona so izinto ezifana nalezo.
le ndaba
kunalomfundo khona uyatrenda TikTok uyatrenda Facebook uyatrenda ku-industry nje yase-Clap and Tap Andy Davidson iyatrend. I think nakuwe bese ifikile indaba ye-unfiltered chats under Mr. Walker's Beast.
Yeah okay
kunomvutho ndaba okhona lapha ngithe ngithi ngiyayibukela kunomvutho ndaba okhona ngifuna ukuthi kahle kahle usho what your take towards their opinion. I won't say it's a facts, my opinion. So I'm feeling wena, what's your take towards my opinion? Because there are a lot of things they said about Inhlakanipho and you personally, if I'm not mistaken.
And against the nayo yonke lento bekayisho namhlanje shelo guys
amanye. It's really straight because it's checked. They said you are copy and paste.
Copy and paste. Exactly. Copy and paste.
I'll tell you.
What about copy and paste later? Yeah, obvious. Kombo kungabi creative. Like uyaculisa ngoba uyawathanda amakhwaya akwazi ukucula.
Yeah.
Akwazi. Etakhuluma ngacula.
So ngifuna ukuthi uthathe like i-take yakho usho ukuthi like uzizwa kanjani ngalento abayishoyo or respond towards
towards the kule mhlawumbe uzolibona uziquotes abese ngiyarespond. Ngizwile man as indaba ye copy and paste. Yabo. But all I can say ukuthi sometimes my Clap and Tap man ingenye indlela nayo yabo. But engakusho nje ukuthi if abantu bakhuluma ngawe which means there's something oyenzayo.
Exactly.
Yabo. So mina ngithanda bangenza into abantu bangasho next. Doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi kuthiwane ngawe.
Sure.
Whether lento le negative
or positive
or lento le positive. But jabe ukuthi abantu bayakhuluma ngawe.
All media.
So if abantu bayakhuluma ngawe should kune difference. Kune impact.
Oyenza.
Yabo. Because if awenze next bazokhuluma ngani.
Yeah.
Yabo. So if umuntu mhlawumbe uzothi ngecopy and paste yani for mina like mhlawumbe akungihluphanga ndawo sengisho mina like personal.
Yes.
Yabo because nginemento mina. Ngiyangithola nginemento sesenemento manje of future umphathi we Saints.
Okay.
Yes. If into ngasa stage ngase ngasagibela amashunzi we Saints but I'm still a part of the Saints. Kwezinye izinto ama activity abawaranayo I'm always there. Ngiyangithola as I mentor yami lo muntu la. So umuntu baka mentor you need ukuthi ube seceleni kwakhe.
Exactly.
So the fact ukuthi uPlaza imentor yami leso sithunza ngeke sisuke kimi. So umuntu noma ngicula mhlawumbe ngise stage uzobona mhlawumbe the Saints there and there.
Okay.
As they say they know me from ukuthi ngeke ngaculela the Saints. Yabo. But then angeke mhlawumbe ngize ngiphathwa amahloni ukuthi umuntu uthi ngecopy and paste ye the Saints because if ngizophathwa amahloni or ngikwada which means ukuthi ngikwatela ukuthi uBaza iminto yami. So angithi umuntu nekhaya
ophuma kulo.
And another thing the Saints is one of the biggest choirs. Not only in Davidson.
Yeah, not
only
in Davidson, but in the industry Clap and Tap as a whole, the Saints like it's one of the biggest choirs. So if you don't find it under the Saints, so if you team game.
Exactly.
Understand? So as the mail like is check, yabo. So before I'm coming, I'm across something ngizanga watch. Because I don't quarter man, because not liking in angithiwa ikitomele nikwatele la.
It's not that
So if
bad.
uzothi mina ngicopy and paste the same thing, izenze the same thing. Shooting ngiyayenza lento.
So
So the sense into yabo. Yeah, shooting ngiyapusha.
Bengifuna ukubuza angazi nombuso oyibukele.
Yeah, ngibukelile kancane.
Okay. Bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi like wena ngendlela yakho azange uyibone as an marketing strategy for ishow lenizobhekana naye isondela soon between you and Infinos.
Yeah, yona ngibona at first yabo ngibone vele as into ukuthi ba market amachita na. But then ukhumbule ukuthi kusese nezinye izinto manje ezivela amadala side not kuma Facebook. Yabo musoqala umamela umuntu ukuthi uthini so yabo ngithoka la intentions wakhe bengasukuthi bewukuthi. Yabo so ishaya seyifika lapho. But then abafethu abashaya mfethu abantu bashaya into bayenzayo ngithola. Hayi masizo itlap and tap le.
Yeah,
ngithola. Sometimes umuntu mhlawumbe kunomuntu ongarecognize maybe there's someone ongazi ukuthi inhlani pop gospel singer yini yabo so uyaqala manje ukukhuluma ngayo despite ukuthi uthini kuwe but sokhona lo uzofuna ukunaka manje ukuthi okay yini inhlakanipho kahle by watching the broadcast yabo uthi abobani la bekhulunywa ngabo so awuthi ngiyoba check then at least nami sengigainile fan base somewhere somehow yabo so ayikho kule copy and paste ayikho nje into mhlawumbe ngazi ukuthi yangikhathaza
nice ngithanda respond yakho la so now kunalento le ekhulunyiwe now I'm not sure ukuthi ikhulunywe ku podcast or ekhulunywe via Facebook under page le David 1520 Chaplainship saying you guys nizenza too matured ngabanye abantwana yeah they said
Hi
so
guys mina wayindaba ezinjeni guys angithanda
yeah ngibonile leyo post le yeah ikhona post akhona nje I think is yeah ikhona man
yeah
Facebook
yeah ikhona
mhlawumbe bangalisukile but ikhona kuma WhatsApp yeah no man as mina I can say mhlawumbe ukuba silent yabo because zonke into lezi makucala mhlawumbe kuthiwane we didn't say respond ngitshela abantu abami ukuthi don't respond, don't say anything maybe mhlawumbe ivelela lapho ukuthi silent mhlawumbe iyo a problem masithulile should see but then go yonke into nje like ibelibele ipost ku Facebook eziningi I gave permission yazo mhlawumbe njengalezi aboma AI
pictures ngizibonile
lezi ama pictures lesikho no KP lezo vele sinofaka we gave and go ahead manje post anyway you like yamthola aphathi ke sekuvela lezi ezinye ke ezivela officials I'm not against zona abafethu bangaba bapush into yabo manje mhlawumbe yabaspanela but abayiphushe the way bayibona ngakhona.
So ngifuna on their behalf because mangibona lapha ku podcast they said kube nenkulumo ekhona ku Facebook ukuthi why banga approachanga abaphathi babo kuqala before bayenza lento lena because kuba ngathi manje abaphathi bayalwa ne esayidini lakho wena buzo ame chorister lakho ne bongathanda ukuthi ngize kuwe kuqala and tell you about the podcast ngitshela ukuthi sobe sikhuluma ngezinto ezinjani or just nje
yeah angiphela remember singabaphathi amakhwa wethu aswarani ngendlela efana mina mina like ngumuntu uhlala ubuza ama advice yabo kunabaphathi abasharp la eTV yababuza mina ukuhale bake ngiyambuza mina umzozo ngiyababuza aboplaza yababuza into manje ngokunje kwenzakalani yabo ngihambile wani ngashitshela wena ngiyabuza mina ngikhula kanjalo ngithola so like ngintwana encane singisho kanjalo yabo ngintwana encane so into esibhanga ngibuza nje abaphathi bala ukuthi okay into so bakusosenza kanjani ngithola ngiyababuza amashita yabo so hence I've said ukuthi womphathi ikhaya yakho ngeke urane yasiyo run amakhaya ngendlela efanayo so I don't know ukuthi ufaya uthini abantwana bakhe or kwenzakalani ngithola uyowazi ngithola but mina on my side when it comes to inhlani purpose person abantu abamdeni ukuthi anything that there is to do ngeclip and say we need to sit discuss ngithola before umuntu angaqala aphume or ukhuluma izinto ezirong because if mhlambe we are part of inhlakanipho ngithola then uyaphuma you do something else then uyokhuluma mhlambe kabi ngamanye amakhaya yes noma into le mhlawumbe nizokubenefit ngithola but somehow izobuya ishaye ikhaya why because of you are part of ikhaya so that's why mina abantwana like babeza kimi bangibona it's okay mphathi manje sicela ukwenza into so ubone kuyinto eshapha bese kuyaba advise
okay
ukuthi izoslimaza le so if izoslimaza then it's a cut off mangabe izosilimaza but bangabange isilimaza somehow yeah understanding it ayifani.
Okay, so usho kwakho sho ukuthi abachita they were supposed to consult nabaphathi kuqala and then you all guys go ahead ukuthi you can do this.
No, mina like when it comes to amachita nje ayikho into engizokhomenta ngabafethu yangithola. All I can say ukuthi abafethu into yabo if yabaspanela abayipush. Yangithola into bangabe yabaspanela abayipush then thina mhlawumbe abantu nanana kufanele ukuthatha izinto like too personal.
Yeah.
Because ugcine so create ama enemy
unnecessary.
Yeah, yabonto efana leyo lento izayenza even na kuma hip hop yangithola batisana abantu nanana so it's all about I growth yangithola but ke engakusho mina ukuthi umuntu mangakhuluma ngawe doesn't matter ukuthi uthi yeah ukhuluma into embi or ukhuluma into enhle if umuntu ukhuluma ngawe kusho ukuthi you are making impact khona I role oyidlalayo yangithola so bengizoba set kuba siphisi siyacula sinhlaniphana akuyidevelayo nje ku Facebook embi right thulekele kusethu shoot sense next so akuvele something abantu abakhuluma if ngafuthi especially nje mhlambe sengibhekise kubo Machita straight if there's something more they have to say about inhlakanipho whether it's good or bad do it bafethu
kumekani guys
ningaringa yangithola there's nothing mina like ngisharp
because mina ngacheka igama lakhona people bemile ba understand ngegama ukuthi it's called unfiltered chat.
Okay,
yes.
yes.
Like akunanto ebayifihlayo like
anything yeah nama opinions wabo the way bafuna ngakhona.
So ngifuna ukuthi sitshele ama friends out there wenhlakanipho no Infernos mhlawumbe nisebezokho ukuthi you and Fire you are cool.
Yeah, I mean no fire out time.
Because ngibona the way you responding ngakhona kuba ngathi manje nalento izoliswa abaphathi or abaphathi already they are fighting yabo. Yeah, so and then ngibone ne post yaka Fire apologizing on behalf of abachita.
And again okuhlungu ukuthi uFire noma Xolisa kune podcast engele yaphuma futhi. Amachita think it's way bakhuluma ngokuthi uFire uXoliselana umXolisi.
Oh yeah ibe sibukela izolo I think enopaseka
yeah ibona upaseka tisamo yeah but uFire nayo
being wrong
Xolise bani le?
no I think umphathi ngibona ipost umphathi wenu infoni
oh yeah hayi uya enayo umxolisi
kanti bangamela ngixolisa
so uFire mina like I understand into bakaXolisela because ukhumbule umuntu lo protect igroup. But wonke nje mhlawumbe advance ngagaba fethu whatever they do abayenze but they must also protect igroup abayiculayo abangathatha umphathi wabo bamfake position okwat baze bambizo ngumxolisi ukuthi sekaxolisile ngisho manje ayisahlali kahle somewhere somehow yabona yilokho nje but i-broadcast abafethu hayi uringa kwabo mfethu bayaringa izinto ezigrand asingahlali into eziningi izinto ezigrand abasirengayo abafethu but ke yiba abakena uTVision na into zawusho manje ime kanjani yangithola angifuna ukukhuluma izinto ezimbo kuthiwa mina ngithe or kanjani yangithola but ke yeah and again abangahlali like mhlambe ekhwayeni ewana amakhwaya bhaya yabo yeah ngithola because bangithi ngiya-checka mhlambe into enzuthi mhlambe nama-chorist nana kube ne-fast nana ukuthi bangathi uya-checka mhlambe kuma-podcast lawa avelile maybe we can say almost 40% or sithi ama-percent amaningi about inhlakanipho ama-percent amaningi yangithola rather namanye amakhwaya yes bawamentionile but ama-percent amaningi alapha kithi so mhlambe ke it's a way of ngoba siyacula on Sunday mara ke mina ngibona isharp bafethu i-right adengile yangithola just i-reaction yabantu
good idea
idea right iphusheni bafethu
kubeka
isifundo
no kasifundo iphusheni lento yethu yeah ringane like ngithweni amanye amakhwaya niringe bafethu ngendlela lenifuna ukukhuluma ngayo yangithola but akukho konke lokwenzayo make sure ukuthi you protect Infernos gospel choir
exactly
yangithola ingabe senikhuluma izinto ezihamba zibuye zishaya ichoir yini yangithola bafethu so nje abayiphusha bafethu mina abantwana bami ngiringile nabo sishap bafethu Sunday sisonke
exactly
futhi ma-choristers wakho yeah mina what I can say unfiltered chat with Mr. Walker bafethu you always know ukuthi ngihlezi nginani ngiyazi support ibhaya what I can say pushani bafethu ni pushe kakhulu and I'm glad ukuthi you all guys nilethe i-platform whereby each and everyone angakhona ukukhuluma ngeClub and Sep angakhona ukukhipha okusenhlizweni yakhe about a certain choir or a certain performance. I think into engingakusho nje ukuthi let's try to sugarcoat those names of my choir.
Yeah, sing a name through.
Like for an example,
Yeah.
for an example, singathi Inhlakanipho. You understand? Just say choir sethwathwa. Yabona, amanu again, man, khona ile ecoka man ikhipha ezimerun. For an example, yabo, le ikhipha ezimerun just try and sugarcoat izinto izinto, you understand?
Oh, guys.
Yeah.
But the unfiltered chats.
Yeah, I do understand it's an unfiltered chat, but at the same time, really, I'm not
Yeah, unfiltered.
It's South Africa. It's South Africa. We live by law.
Yeah.
We live by law. There are let's say I myself am a registered artist. Then it's a
Defamation of character.
So
Yes.
I'm trying to protect side line.
At the very same time, khumbula ukuthi abafethu igrand to yabo. Yangithola part. They are part of a choir. Yangithola kune choir emele like menze sure by protector. Yabona kube kuthiya mhlamba abafethu mhlamba they are not members of Infamous. Mhlamba bazimele. They are just supporters. So I keep the wrong. Yangithola. But manje takhona ibuye mhlambe ifavor bona but ingafavor choir bayiculayo. Then sokuba khona okushaya amanzi. Yangithola bafethu. But yeah, I mean, on my side, I'm fit.
All is well.
I can't into uzehlisa yangithola angisithi choir mina bafethu ngisese choir ngane futhi angeke ngize ngithi ukuthi upcoming yangithola but kusemntwini ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu makasibhekile yena ukuthi uthi siyini ngamehlo wakhe yangithola so yeah injalo nje bafethu kuzehlisa ngasonke isikhathi angeke
masikhetheke
important office intonyana nje next week yobekhulunywa ngenyito yabona esifana naleso
mina what I can say good top 3 by mentioning about you about it unfiltered chat good top 3 mina I can count you on good top 3 as a big choirs under it also.
Under it what?
Yeah, I can count you there. Remember we had a business number kwamani so like I'm not
I think I say
yeah, boy my God, ultimately we there. But for now and it's my opinion
yeah,
exactly. What I can say nganifaka ku top 3 the sense bali the sense harmony and then number 3 obviously beginning.
Harmony.
Yeah.
That's what harmony.
Davidson mabala Davidson as a whole.
No, ngisho maybe ngibalile ethwathwa mina ngazi iharmony kuyasethwathwa ngiyazi ukuthi from back then yeah. So ngibalela ethwathwa namanje I think home bazibiza from thwathwa so ngibalela kuthwathwa top 3 Inhlakanipho for mina it's one of the top 3s atop ama choir like us. So Bubbly Peaches on your side ufuna ukubuza wena ukuthi like ama choir owathanda let's say I3 or maximum 5 ama choir owathanda e-Davidson specifically e-Davidson
angikwazi ukuphuma ku e-Davidson
no
yo okay ngicokufaka i1 engasiyase Davidson
okay ke ngoba ngibala ukuthi ama choir owathandayo ungaphuma but bengifuna ukuthi sigcile ku e-Davidson
i1 okay i1
yeah like Davidson
yeah
i1 oh
le yangaphandle yeah because angithi amanye amashow abo bake bawayenzela la yeah so yeah leyo choir lene ezini PSW
Pure Sounds of Whiteville.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, na angithi vele kahle yafana uthi parts of Davidson
exactly
abomkhaya labo ya
okay and then mara ngithi ngibale in order
yeah
PSW number 1.
No, she can take up to 5
number
yeah maximum
okay
number 1
Number 3 or 2.
Shit ngicabangeni guys
The top 3.
yo and okay ngizontshela after ne and then the other one kuzoba Inhlakanipho and then the third one kuzoba iharmony yiwa amakhwaya wala ngwamamelayo ne guys nengwafaka ke in numerical order
yes
ne number 3 would have to be for mina ne I got for mina number 3 would have to be iharmony because angimamela ingoma zabo kakhulu ngithanda nje le ngoma leya A1 Anyeke ishintshe shem.
Yeah,
Oh.
right.
Riyawubonga.
Yeah.
Shout out to
Love that
Harmony,
song,
Riyawubonga,
guys.
yeah.
Exactly. And then the second one, number 2 would have to be PSW. Nanoma ngabe bangarekhodanga kangako mara. Ay,
You
shem.
loved it.
Guys. And then number 1 obviously would have to be, oh yes, poo 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 poo. Yeah. Would have to be Nhlakanipho. Yeah, tell Nhlakanipho, guys.
Uyithandiswa ukuthi ubone umphathi wayo.
No, no, like on a daily basis, most vele njalo mengithi ngimamela ingoma zeTlapensep namanje mengathi uya check efonini yami
Part of your playlist.
download exactly.
Download it.
Yeah,
Simphathi yabona kuya-download.
Asabonga.
exactly.
So
Stream.
guys ngicela ukuthi senze sone sekayibalile amakhwaya wakhe i3 ngokulandelana kwakhe ngisayid lakhe so bengicela ukuthi wena kuma comment uzibekele ngendlela
Yes.
njengoba wena sekawabalile awa3 ngicela ukuthi wena uwabeke ngendlela yakho ukuthi number 1 ubona kuyiphi number 2 ubona kuyiphi number 3 ubona kuyiphi kula makhwaya i3 awabalile manje ngizobuza ke music director eNhlakanipho ke straight ukuthi amakhwaya ne let's say 3 to 5 in a scale of 3 to 5 yabo owabale nje amakhwaya let's say owathandayo owaphushayo o top 5 yakho or top 3 yakho
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, yeah, yabona like most of you bhekisa ngakimi like ibathanda kuba-3. Yabo. But obviously akekho umphathi ongashiya ikhwaya yakhe yabo.
Exactly.
So lithathe ikhwaya yami ngibekele esayidini because izaqala kunawo wonke amakhwaya.
Number
yabo.
0 star.
But then ke mhlambe ngithi top 3 or top 5 yangizona. But nje ngingathanda nje ukuthi remember we have Harmony.
yeah
Ngithola iHarmony kunomsebenzi lakho omuhle bawenzayo. Bana 1 million and more views kuma streams wabo. Of which bawuthi yasheka la ngisifiso nje sasa almost nje wonke umphathi ukuthi si reach leyo level le kuma streams ngithola.
Guys.
So big up to Harmony. So then we
Keep up
also
the
have
work.
Buhali Badumela.
Badumela,
So yeah, abafethu like music wabo mina for mina like different.
yeah
Unique kakhulu njengomuntu osithandela i-brass band.
yeah
Okay.
Ngithola so ngiyawuthanda kakhulu yaphila sifile ngithola like mohleli phansi inywele emele zithi ukuthi intonyana yabona kube khona into eyenzakalayo man so ngibathandela lokho abafethu ngithola ngiyabathanda abafethu bese we have Infamous. Yeah, Infamous ngiyafoster kakhulu ufaya ugudu ngomusic. Yeah, ufaya uNtswembi like ngo music despite nje ukuthi kwenzakalani nani but ufaya ugudu ngomusic because I remember even nami ikhwaya yami ngisaqala ukuyivusa bokuwe umuntu benokungisiza sami samanga. Nje okay fake note lisona nani ngithola. So pick up now to Infamous ngithola then ngakhohla futhi Healing Melodies.
yeah
ngakhohla futhi Healing Melodies. Yeah, Healing Melodies bafethu musical ulifa. Ngisifila.
yeah
Namhlanje sangivuma bafethu. Isifila saka lifa esakhe.
yeah
Ngithola like esakhaya ngithola then you also have iDecent. Ngithola so iDecent ke angeke ngikhuluma okuningi ngokuDecent akho umuntu ongayazi iDecent.
Exactly.
Yeah, iDecent like it's a big choir not only at Davidson but industry as a whole ngithola. So I can say nje abafethu bonke bayaspana bayaphusha the way baphusha ngakhona. Ngithola so ngasho nje ukuthi amakhwazi wala Davidson nje kusewa wonke ngithola kuningi mina engakufunda kubo bonke.
Okay.
So Kfasi hidden voices. Kuningi ongakufunda inspirational from eMkhoba. Ngithola kuningi ongakufunda kubafethu just nje you need ukuthi mababukele ongababukeli ngelihlo le competition or ongababukeli ngelihlo lokunyatha but babukele ngelihlo lokuthi yini ongayithatha ongayisebenza engakusebenzela wena ngithola funa nje into enhle bayenzayo then ubona ukuthi wena ingakusebenzela kanjani then ke bese wena uyenza nawe ibe even more interesting. Ngithola so yeah kuma top 3 I think nje mangibeke so I think healthy sharp. Yeah, I think so bafethu Castle sharp man Castle sharp nama outer sharp eDavidson yabo so kubambisana nje ngithola and konke amakhwaya khona la wasavuka la eDavidson awusemi na build relationship. Yeah kenana nabafethu ubuild relationship then uzoba sharp.
Exactly.
What I can say kuwe angazi noma isilungu sisho kanjalo sekuyisilungu sami ngizicreatela sona i-respond capacity yakho. The way you respond to the questions it shows ukuthi you are a leader.
Exactly.
Yeah, uphendula ngokuleader awuna favorite season awuna ngathi number 1 or top 3 but ubala ngokuthi wonke amakhwaya akhona kuwe ayafana. Yeah, so akekho omkhulu ayekho omncane. Hence uze wavula ne-organization, I'm not sure, hence nakhona uze wavula organization
Ubuntu Entertainment with at least unite.
Exactly, yes. It says a lot about him, yeah. So before nje sesizovala guys, sesizovala, ne? Right. Before sesizovala, amazwi nje ongawanikeza ama-fans wakho, ama-supporters wakho, abantu nje abasithandayo.
Oh, na top 3 yakho. No, usho udinga yakhe top 3. Yeah,
okay, sorry. Hey, can't say mistake.
So should I go to top 3 or top 5?
Asenze
It's up to you.
It's good 3. It's gonna be difficult.
Okay, sesimamele.
Okay, Timbala Makwaya and then ngizophinda. Okay. We have, obviously, as you said, we have the Saints, we have the Harmon, we have Buhali Batumelo, the Healing Melody. I can name them, but so let me just mina into engayisho ku top 3 yami, obviously Healing Melodies beya ku number 0, obviously Fem yami. And then I think I know number 3 mina eyami I would say Harmon. Yeah, Harmon number 3 wami. And then number 2 wami, hey, it's gonna be difficult. Number 2 wami ne ngizobeka iDescent.
Okay.
Yeah, I know with number viewers azo guys they yami opinion yami like it's top 3 yami. Yabona, and then number 1 mina sengingamane ngithi ngifavoritism ngithanda yona what mina number 1 manje like us ibuhali batumeli.
Okay.
Yeah, ibuhali batumeli yaphusha. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Big ups.
Big ups. I Matsudi.
Yeah. Alright, guys. So before Siva, ngicela nje ukuthi usinikeze amazwi okugcina nje words of encouragement kuma-fans wakho, yabona abantu abakulandela, abantu abakusupportayo.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Namashow ukuthi uzotholakala kuphi. Yeah.
Yes.
No, stay sure vele this Sunday. If mhlambe izophuma before Sunday, yeah, iDave ne. Yeah, it's Dave Bonile Musveli. It's a Versus. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates.
It's a Versus.
It's a Versus bafethu zizokhala Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates, yabo. Then next week siya eThema. Then sizoya nase Ogisi, Pretoria. Then sizobe sesibuya like us nge5 zaka July.
Ile ulanda khona vegetable.
Yes. Yabo. But ama-details amaningi akhona ku Facebook page lethu Inhlakanipho Gospel Singers. Yeah, everything nje siposta lapho kakhulu. Showcase, I think namanje siyacula vela ngithi ngi-22 zaka February ngicindi. Siyacela support man. It's a Davey, it's a Versus, Kaizer Chiefs versus Pirates.
Yeah.
Umfethu leya so isho yakhona mele ibe mnandi. It's 70 rand, 80 rand emnyango. But then ke sometimes angithi amakhwaya lokurun ibhesha zabo nani. So contact uzikhulumele yabo. Ungahlala endlini kwamanje wena une-60 rand, usuhlela endlini kwamanje une-50 rand. Tholakala ngekwazi yabo iplan le ngayenzakala yabo but yeah
No, but ngifuna ukugwema indaba ukuthi nanoma bethi 50 rand atholakala phela thina ku Tap and Taps ne-tendency ukuthi ngize vele ngine-70 rand maka le 20 rand ngizoyibhayitela mose ngazi bafana bethu ngiphethe 50 rand. So bafethu, whenever you know ukuthi you can afford the 70 rand, please come with your 70 rand, yenze difference enkulu. And then whenever you know ukuthi une 50 rand vele ku rough nangempela, please do come. Word of encouragement, what can you say kuma followers wakho and also ababukeli?
No ngakusho nje bafethu siyabonga for i-support esiNhlakanipho Gospel Singers. But kuwo wonke umuntu oyithanda iNhlakanipho Gospel Singers mina nje ngicela just ama feedback. Every time masiba ne-performance, every time masi release music, please come back nisikama feedback. Despite ukuthi i-negative or i-positive, because sikhula kanjalo. So asizokwazi uku-improve nje ukuthi si-improve kuphi silungise kuphi. so yathi inhlakanipho kuzoba le choir nenifisa ukuthi ibe yiyo. Yeah.
Alright, so zwile ke umphathi wenhlakanipho ucelile kuwe, otherwise sithanda ukuyibeka lana. Ngithanda ukuthi ngisho lento lena guys, this video it's brought to you by Sanso Consultant. Sanso Consultant is dealing with register my companies. Whenever you know what you've got a company or you want to start a company, you don't know where to start, Sanso Consultant, you call. What you can do, you can just call us on 068 210 7255. 068 210 7255. Sanso Consulting. Danko siyabonga njenge Sanso Media Checks siyazibongela.
Beyonce, 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 happy birthday, Beyonce, oh Beyonce, happy birthday, Beyonce, Beyonce.